Hello doers and welcome back. Today we're introducing Odoo's Barcode app. Now to get the most out of today's tutorial, you're actually going to need a compatible barcode scanner, like one of these babies over here, a USB scanner. Now the whole process is pretty simple. You just bring items you want to scan to a computer that has the Odoo Barcode app open. Then you connect the scanner and then you can start scanning. Beep beep. That type of thing. I've been wanting to play with one of these for quite a while. Now you can also use a mobile phone scanner, kind of like this Zebra TC21. This is ideal for walking around and just scanning stuff inside of the warehouse. Just make sure to install the Odoo Barcode app directly in the scanner first. Lastly, you can also use a Bluetooth scanner. This is a budget-friendly option if you have the Odoo Barcode app installed on a tablet or a phone as well. Now just connect the scanner to the tablet via Bluetooth, and you can scan items up to 30 feet away from the tablet. That's 10 meters for all my non-American Odooers. Or you can take the tablet and use the smartphone camera to scan barcodes as well. Odoo gives you choices. For a list of recommended barcode scanners, refer to the Odoo Barcode website, which I'm going to link in the description. Okay, enough chit-chat. Let's hop in and see how Odoo Barcode works. So first, before we do anything, we actually need to enable barcodes in our database. So to do that, I'm going to navigate inside of the Inventory app to Configuration and Settings. Now, once that we're inside of here, scroll down to the barcode section and make sure the checkbox next to barcode scanner is checked off so it's enabled. Now, underneath the feature, we have a drop-down for the barcode nomenclature form over here, which defines how information is transformed into a barcode. To learn more about that, check out our documentation that I'm going to link below. Then finally, we have some useful links over here, like print barcode commands and operation types. Now, when you click this, Odoo creates a PDF of common inventory operations like receipts, deliveries, and pickings. And if you happen to actually print it, you can actually just scan the codes right here and Odoo will do that specific operation. And that's pretty nifty and useful. Now let's explore the two ways to assign barcodes to our products. The first method is clicking the Configure Barcodes button that we have, or internal link right there. And doing so takes us to a list of all of our products where we can assign or modify barcodes inside of this barcode field. And I'm noticing something very quickly. Odooers, let's say that I somehow happened to misspell something, orang, when I meant orange. To correct it, I just clicked inside of the field where it says barcode, did my corrections, and then clicked out. Now remember, Odooers, barcodes can actually be made up of letters and numbers and any mix of stuff. So that is very quickly the very first method. It's great if you're already inside of settings or if you need to adjust a bunch of barcodes at once. And the second method is going directly to the product itself. Now, this is useful if you're working with a single product or if you're creating a brand new product. So to do this, we're going to click Products and then Products, and we're going to select the very first one because we're kind of lazy. So here we are, Desk Organizer, and on the product form, on the right side of the General Information tab, you'll notice there's an area that's called Barcode. And I can click inside of here, and we can either type the barcode directly, but that's not really cool. Because if the actual item came with a barcode from the vendor, like say this desk organizer that we have over here. I can't really show it, but trust me that this barcode over here is real. Then we just grab our scanner and we just scan it in. Look at that, an amazing barcode right there. It's a time saver since the vendor already created the barcode from scratch for us, and that's pretty nifty. And that's the second method. But before we move on, I want to point out very quickly that barcodes aren't limited to products. You can also add them to operation types, packages, packagings, and locations. And if you want to learn more, check out the documentation that I'm going to link below. But anyways, I think it's time for the fun part, so let's go get to it. So here at Stealthywood, we have lots of daily vendor shipments coming in. Good thing we can process our receipts with barcode. So now here we are on the main Odoo dashboard, and we're going to select the barcode application. Now on the barcode app's main page, we're going to tap on our operations button in the bottom left, and then we're going to tap the receipts card. Now this shows our warehouse workers what we expect to receive, both now and inside of the future. So let's select this Gemini furniture receipt over here. And we have one orange chair, which happens to be right behind me. Time to scan the barcode really quickly over here. And just like that, would you look at that? Pew, pew. Odoo records the quantity. And now I can receive this quantity quickly because my vendor, Gemini Furniture, attached the barcode to the product that you just saw me scan. And it matches what I typed in the barcode field of the orange chairs product form that we also saw earlier. But Odoo's got you covered even if your vendor doesn't attach barcodes for you. If you actually click on the gear icon in the top right corner over here, would you look at that? we can actually select to print barcodes over here of all of the product barcodes in the receipt. So in the morning when I'm preparing for the day's shipments, I can actually print this out and have the barcodes ready to scan and tape them onto the products when I unload everything. And that's incredibly useful. So once I'm done with the receipt, all I have to do is actually click on this green validate button, and that's it for receipts. So now we're moving on to deliveries. So once again, we're going to tap operations, and this time delivery orders. Look at that. Now that we're on the delivery orders page, we're going to select the delivery for Deco Addict. Now it looks like they ordered 3 desk organizers, which I happen to have very crudely over here. I can actually just scan each organizer real quick just by doing my little zaps that you've been seeing me doing. 1, 2, 3. Pretend with me that I had 3 of these right there. Y'all, I've been wanting to make this video for quite a while, just so I could play with this gun right here. Anyways, now that we've scanned everything at this point, we can either tap on the validate button on the bottom right corner, or we can also do it a different way. When given the option to scan or not scan, I choose to scan every time. So I'm going to take out the printout that I talked about earlier and select validate right there. Give it a second right there, and would you look at that? Validated away. And there you have it. In like 5 minutes, we attach barcodes to our products and processed our receipts and deliveries. It's super fast and there are no typos. Now remember to check out our other videos about barcodes and the documentation link below for more information. Thanks for tuning in, Odooers. See you next time.